In this video, I'm going to show you how to use altimeter in Apple Watch. To use the altimeter on your Apple Watch, go to your app screen by pressing the crown. Once you are in your app screen, you have to open the compass app. So here we can see the compass app. Just open it. And now from your compass app, tap on this info icon at the top left corner. And here you have to scroll down. And here you will find your elevation. Now tap on set target alert to go ahead and set your elevation. You can select here your target, and then I'm selecting here minus 275 feet and tapping on done. And here we can see I've successfully added my elevation, and you can also clear your target by tapping on clear target. Here you can also add your waypoint just like this. So that's how you can actually use altimeter in our Apple Watch. That's it.